Shut the frick up.
Sorry, there's a frog.
Literally, guys, I don't know what my parents are on. Mom's taking a...
Dude, sorry.
We just tried to be quiet.
That first beer's on me.
We got all these water balloons here. We got hella ammo. Jeffrey's ammo. What happened? What?
I said you pull your trapeze carry.
Oh, I thought you said they were here.
No, it's a trapeze.
Could you keep an eye on the gate?
I can't see anything. I'm like tucked in these trees. I got oak up my ass.
Oh, okay. And why is mom? Yeah, mom's.
Up her butt crack.
Yeah,
Mom's peeing right now.
mom's full gnome.
Here, and they could see me right from over here.
So what's the plan here? What are we doing?
As soon as they come up.
Dude.
There's a frog, I swear to God.
Wait, Ma, can you get up?
No, she's locked.
Okay, I thought for sure you weren't getting up.
My balloon is leaking.
So we're waiting for them to.
They're going to pull in.
All right.
Well, I don't
And
know
then
exactly
pull out.
what they're going to do. She didn't say.
Whatever they're doing, just keep an eye out until somebody said, yells go or something like that. We'll ambush the shit out of them.
I can't believe like they're doing this like in daylight.
Well, the
Yeah, you'd think you'd come at night.
Yeah. I
Like-
did that to you with a paintball gun.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear something.
Yeah, it's called an Amazon truck.
Well, f it. Let's get him.
Yep.
Be his last day.
It is an Amazon.
Wait, are they coming in an Amazon truck?
Oh my God, the budget thing.
Go, 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 go,
The
go.
Amazon driver sees us.
Dude, just send it. 2 days ship that watermelon to his truck.
So great.
Do it. No balls.
I told you the Amazon lady lives here.
Didn't you used to be cool? Didn't you used to be cool when you were like 30 years younger?
Who, me?
Yeah, didn't you used to do fuckboy shit like this?
Yes, crazy shit.
You won't lob one. Just do
Not
it.
the Amazon guy, because we count on him to put it on our porch property.
Oh, come on.
It'd be funny if I hit mom with a watermelon now, though.
I'll just kinda
She would
look
fall
at it.
over.
Is mom getting another gnome? Are you sure it's not them?
No, it's not them.
All right.
Okay.
Don't.
that-
We're pranking, so just keep doing what you're doing. Thank you.
Get up now!
Run!
You don't want to be here!
I was,
What if they're not going to show up? What if
I
that's
know.
the prank?
what if they're in the back of the Amazon truck?
Jackie's pulling one over on
We don't know what Tom does for most of the time. Or Joe could have a part-time job shipping Amazon shit.
Shoot, what happens? What if they're not going to?
What if they both have a
Food truck for mac and cheese that we don't know about.
Joe and
Tom's
Mac?
Mac and cheese.
Joe and Tom's Mac?
They're going out the
Tom's, mac
driveway.
and cheese.
That's what I would hope.
Mac and cheese.
Hit the side of it.
Lob it.
She's good. She's good.
You got no balls, dude.
She's like, I'm gonna
Ma, where did Dad's balls go?
into you too.
Where did
Sagging now.
Dad's gonna lose his job at the county because he threw a watermelon at his Amazon truck.
Can't do that to Amazon, man. They're good people.
He's got his balls in his hand.
Yep, exactly.
No, I don't.
Where's your balls? Why'd you get too pink?
Because I thought that they were appropriate. And they're also misshapen.
So you got two pink, but where'd you put the other one? Stinky. Yep. Exactly. Just throwing it, Ma.
Is there movement?
Just throwing it, Ma.
I don't have movement, no.
It's probably, honestly, it'd probably be funnier.
Yeah,
It'd probably be funnier if you got it right near, just to, like, scare the shit out of her.
Hey, hon.
Oh my God.
JT!
Jake. You heard like rocks and
She did have a
dirt.
little grin, JT. She did.
You wouldn't dare do it back because we have the camera. Yours looks cheaper, so it's fine.
What?
Yeah, you only got two, Ma. Sorry.
Do you didn't tell him?
2 to 1, she's live.
Yeah, no
Oh,
shit.
you're kidding me. Huh?
The joke's on your knees.
You got right up, though. You're good.
Yeah, she's going right back down, though.
I don't know what they're doing.
I don't see it. I can see.
Well, the second you go and look, they're probably gonna come.
Yeah.
So I'm about to just play Pokemon Go up in this bitch.
Wait to see what they're doing.
Yeah, Pokemon Go actually extended the driveway down here as if it's a street.
Wow, good on them.
Mm-hmm.
That was the latest update.
Yeah, I looked at it last Saturday.
Huh.
Yeah, when I found the snake.
Hey,
What?
so what are we doing? We're going to wait until we see what they're doing, and then we're going to go after
Did
them?
you just try and zoom in on me?
I'm just throwing
I
balloons.
zoomed as much as I could.
I'm just throwing water balloons. You know what? I'm loading up. Dude, come the fuck on. What did you... Why is that on there?
This is the broccoli. Today's my low carb day.
Good, good. That's good.
I hear something, but I don't see it yet.
And Jackie probably warned him. I'm stacking the right pocket here. Because I'm right-handed, you know?
Their pants are just gonna fall down.
Nah, that's fine. I don't care if I'm naked.
Like, oh, Jesse just came out and pissed himself.
I'm a tribal native on their shit.
Pissed himself and his pants fell down.
Wait, I've had a problem peeing?
Since you were a baby, you pissed yourself.
Oh, that explains a lot.
Mom, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I can't stay.
Why are you running like you got like...
Yeah, they probably sensed that Mom was like in pain.
Here. You forgot.
Oh, okay. I know where this one's going.
Right in Tom's eye.
Tom's butthole.
Oh. Oh, look at that little one. These are filled with septic, by the way, guys.
Hey, Tom, here's a little snack for you for when you're playing Elden Ring later.
If you rub the sides of it enough, it might actually sound like elbow macaroni, which might like signal them.
Yeah. Tom just popped.
Don't let them see you.
Ma, why are you hugging the side so much? Like, we're safe here. You're over here
It's a posture
tucked in
thing.
more.
Because,
Are you adjusting your back?
yes. What do you think they're doing? You think they're coming on foot?
What?
Like, we have no idea what we're getting into. Like,
Hey, what'd you get from Amazon anyway? Was this something for me?
Potatoes. The little ones don't see.
Wait, don't hurt something. Works my kidneys because I got to pee real bad. Look, dogs are barking. Don't waste them.
The little ones, they don't break.
That's why you throw them.
Yeah, those are the ones you peg.
do not be premature.
I'll remember that next
now,
time, Mom.
30 years later, you're telling me that?
I already got it in first, sorry. That's what she said. Huh?
There ain't nothing going on.
Can we like disown Aunt Jackie? Like, is that legally? I don't think it
I
is,
think
but
she might be setting us up.
can you like remove somebody from family tree?
Nothing.
I'm caught in your camera, Ma, because there ain't nothing happening right now. Wait, what? What? Oh, I just had to start it up. What's happening? They're here?
Everybody hide.
Oh, I see them. Are we going in? Well, what if they don't?
Huh?
Are we going in? Oh, what the frick? What? What is happening? I knew I should have went behind the fence. Ma, your voice carries. It's like a fucking bird.
You see that fence right there? They're right on the other side.
Guys, we have no idea what's happening right now. They're just stalled. They're just stalled by the gate. I think I see Joe.
It's hard to miss.
Are they coming through the woods?
Did they bring a power drill?
Shut the fuck up. I'm a birdie too. What? Oh, I see Tom. Oh, they're filming. Of course. I'm knocking that camera out of his hands. Tom's gonna go down on the camera?
I was gonna go down on the camera.
On the microphone?
No, the camera, the lens.
Dude, I'm gonna hit lens. I think I hit yours. I think that was my throw. We knocked your camera lens out? Off your camera? Nah, it was a dramatic effect, but... Are we going in? They're all outside right now. This is our opportunity.
What are you doing?
Shh. Oh my. I don't know, I think they brought something. Like Amazon. What the fuck? Joe's rolling something as per usual. Your water, his water just broke. Nah, his water broke. They got some packaging material or something. Oh, I want to send it so bad. They're gonna see us. It looks like they're transporting a body. Dude, no joke. I think they killed Jackie. Look, legit. I think something happened.
Yeah.
Ma, something happened to Aunt Jackie.
You stop working together, you liquidate the shop, and all of a sudden Uncle Larry kills Aunt Jackie.
No way.
Did you guys have a ton team?
No, there's some packaging material or something. I don't know. Ow! Ah, mosquito. All I'm saying, I think we just send it right now. Dude, I could hit Tom's butt cheek and make it jiggle. What the? It's saying go. It's saying go. We could run up on him right now, I'm telling you. What the? Yeah, they're getting closer. They're going with the old Trojan horse method. Does Dad shave his legs? He's got no hair on his legs. What the Yeah, he really does shave them. What the Oh, there's somebody in. What the? Hey, Jackie saw me. Hey, Jackie saw me. She gave me the look like. Should we go?
I don't know.
Dude. Are we going? We have such a good opportunity right now.
Just waiting for him to give the go-ahead.
Wait!
Come here, bitch! Oh no, no, no! Oh no, no, no!
Stop!
Oh no, no, no!
Stop! Oh, dude! People in the bag! No, stop!
Thank you, Jeffrey! Thank you for seeing. Have fun getting in the car, dude!
What does that even mean?
Oh my god. Oh! I'll get them. Stay out!